Decision making is an essential part of project management. It involves choosing between alternatives and determining a course of action. In projects, decision making often involves trade-offs as project managers must balance the needs and priorities of various stakeholders, including the project team, the project sponsor, and the customer. The decision-making process in projects typically involves taking steps such as identifying the decision that needs to be made, gathering information, analyzing the options, selecting the best option, implementing the decision, and finally reviewing the implemented decision. Decision-making techniques are tools or methods that can be used to help identify, analyze, and choose among alternative courses of action. In project management, decision-making techniques can be used to help make decisions about various aspects of a project such as scope, schedule, budget, or resources. Let's talk of some common types of decision-making techniques used in project management, along with an example of each. First, we have the cost-benefit analysis. This technique involves comparing the costs and benefits of each alternative courses of action to determine which one is the most favorable. For example, a project manager might use cost-benefit analysis to decide between two different vendors for a project, weighing the costs of each vendor against the quality and reliability of their products or services. Then we have the SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is a technique used to evaluate the internal and external factors that can impact a project. It involves identifying the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats associated with each alternative course of action. For example, a project manager might use SWOT analysis to decide between two different project strategies, considering the internal resources and capabilities of the team, as well as external factors such as market conditions and competition. The decision tree analysis. This technique involves constructing a diagram that represents the potential outcomes and probabilities of each alternative course of action. The decision tree can be used to visualize the trade-offs and risks associated with each option and to choose the one that is most likely to achieve the desired outcome. For example, a project manager might use a decision tree analysis to decide between two different options for a project, considering the likelihood of success and potential costs and benefits of each option. Then we have the Six Sigma. Six Sigma is a data-driven approach to decision-making that aims to minimize defects and variability in processes. It involves using statistical tools and techniques to identify and eliminate the root causes of problems and to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of processes. For example, a project manager might use Six Sigma to decide on the most efficient and effective way to complete a task within a project, using data to identify and eliminate inefficiencies and improve quality. These are just few examples of the types of decision-making techniques that can be used in project management. The choice of technique will depend on the specific context and the goals and objectives of the project. See you in the next lecture.